Welcome to the lecture 2 of IoT Power Pack series. This is Siddharthan, an assistant professor. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the steps to be done in Blynk App for monitoring the sensor values. Moreover, we are going to experience the concept of IoT by monitoring the random values using FRED IoT platform, that is without hardware. So let's get started. Blynk Mobile App. Blynk is a hardware-agnostic IoT platform with white-label mobile apps, private clouds, device management, data analytics, and also machine learning. By using this mobile app, we can drag and drop the widgets we need, and we can able to create IoT apps in minutes. Yes, in minutes. So if you are a starter in IoT, this Blynk app will be the best choice to start and to get the insights of IoT. Let's see how to do that in step-by-step manner. First, go to the Play Store in your mobile phone and install the Blynk IoT app in your mobile. Within minutes, it will be installed in your mobile. Once installed, open the Blynk app. Registration is required to use it, so just create new account, or if you have Facebook account, you can directly log in with that account. After registration, click on the new project. Create new project window will open. In that, enter the project name as you wish. In my example, I entered as project 1. Under choose device, select Node MCU. Because we are going to use Node MCU board in our project. Even if you don't have Node MCU, that's okay. We are going to experience the IoT without any hardware device later in this video. So don't worry. Just do the steps with me. Now, under connection type, select Wi-Fi and click create. Authorized token will be sent to your mail ID. We will use this authorized token later in our program. Now click OK. You will be seeing this project space. Click widget box, which is represented as plus symbol. In the widget box, select Gauge. Search through it, it will be under displays. Once selecting it, it will be displayed in your project space. Actually, it's the widget which is going to be connected to the Node MCU board. Now, just click the Gauge in the project space. You will see the Gauge settings screen. Under input, select virtual pin V5. You can select any virtual pin. If you are selecting different virtual pin, you need to change it in the program as well. Virtual pins have no physical properties. You can think about virtual pin as a box where you can put any value, and everyone who has access to this box can see that value. It's a powerful feature to display and send any data from your Node MCU hardware to the Blynk app. Now change the variation from 1023 to 200 because mostly the sensor will give values which will be less than 200. Once done, click the back button. Now in the project space, you can see the gauge level from 0 to 200. Also you can see that virtual pin V5 in the gauge as shown. Congratulations, you have done the steps to be done in Blynk app. Let's see the steps to be done in Node MCU in lecture 3. Before that, we are going to see how to send some random values from the FRED IoT platform to the Blynk app. By using this, we can able to experience the concept of IoT in real time without the usage of controller or sensor. If you have Node MCU board, you can skip this and you can go to the lecture 3. Or if you are curious about how to send some random values without any hardware, then you can continue with me. Okay, here we are going to use FRED IoT platform. So type FRED IoT in Google and go to the website called Sense Technic. And click login button. For new user, click sign up button as shown here. Then enter the details. In the available plan, you can select FRED Short, which is free. Once completing your email verification, you can log in with your credentials. Now you will see a screen as shown here, right? FRED is a front end for Node-RED, which is a visual tool for wiring IoT developed by IBM Emerging Technologies and the open source community. Okay, now in the left hand side, you will see a button as add or remove nodes. Click that. Then in search box, search for Blynk. You can see Blynk WS as shown here. Just click that. It will automatically install Blynk nodes in your FRED IoT platform. Then it will ask for restart instance. So click the restart instance button. Delete everything in the white color project space. Then as the first step, select inject node and drag it to the workspace. It will be shown as timestamp. Double click on it. It will open the edit inject node window. In that, change the repeat to interval and change it for every 5 seconds. As the second step, drag the function node to Workspace. Next, connect timestamp node and function node by wire. You can easily do that by clicking and dragging. Double-click the function node. It will open the property window. Please pause the video now and type the 2 lines of code as shown here. This code is used to generate random numbers from 0 to 100. Once completed, click Done button. As the third and final step, click and drag the right node under Blynk WS. It will be shown as no pin. Connect the function node and right node through wire. Double-click that node, it will open Edit Right Node window. In that, first change the virtual pin to 5. Remember that this 5 is the same virtual pin 5 which we have used for the gauge in the Blynk app. Then click the pencil button next to the connection. It will open the property window. In that, type the URL as shown here. Then in the project key, enter the authorized token number which is sent to your mail ID. Then click Add and then Done. Once completed everything, you can click Deploy button in FRED IoT platform and also Play button in Blynk app as shown here. Once done everything, you can now monitor the random values in the gauge over the internet. Once you are seeing this, you are outstanding. Actually, you are monitoring the random values from the FRED IoT platform to your Blynk mobile app over the internet. Apart from this, if you need to get email or message notification when the values are greater or lesser than some numbers, then please refer lecture 5. Please follow us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.